Peacock, my peeps. Out for your own peeps. Welcome back, my peeps. So today we're up on with last weekend in a bird hunt. You see me? But you know, last weekend, no matter what you gunshot on, just here. Last weekend, no bird, no two fly. But anyway, we're up on the hunting still. Everywhere, anywhere. I will get something going. So all guys just stay tuned. Always remember if you like, comment, share, subscribe. Guys, the day just a pick up. Couldn't even forget to video them, guys. Them 1-1. But I'm going to try my best to get one phone. So just a pick up here. So guys, just stay tuned.
Calling Albert. Come up, come up. Calling Albert. Come up.
Great bird caller and a peeps.
Yeah, man.
Great bird caller. Just watch it drift, man. Great bird caller. Calling the bird.
Come up. Calling Albert. Come up.
That is it, peeps. Yeah, my peeps, I'm telling you, you know. Hunt today, I feel hunt, you know. Top shot around the back, you say, you know. See me. There I go and build a vibes. I go up so right now, go pick up and think. So guys, just stay tuned. Always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, my peeps, so I pack up your now to touch the road.
You sure? Are you a fool like you? Oh, fuck.
Yeah, my peeps. Right now, we're about to go out on the evening shoot, you know. You see me, but
Clarendon side there, you know.
you see me, I'm Papa Vlogs there.
Side, mad, you know.
Great bird caller.
Low not gun team, this is it.
See for one done, you see me?
Oh, man.
So right now, we're not shoot down in a club, yeah. Club dead. You see me? I go out on the country road.
War, we have to war this morning.
You see
get
it?
to back.
So we need to get no video for showing the two tough peeps. You see me? Be a fight. Right now, we are go up on the country. You see it?
One night time, a swamp, instead of the killer, and they say the killer in a swamp, I have to run up and down, but I say, go, because we have to do it, because we need them.
So yeah guys, watching now, catching up on the road. Always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Watch the ads them too, please, so we get paid. See me? Respect. Yeah, my peeps, I pull up on the toll.
Man, yeah, man. What's up, man? Last time I get some shot, guys.
Watch out.
Rub. A big bike now, water run
peeps. Like we said earlier.
Chicken, beef.
Chicken.
We take a chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah, my peeps. Go up on the country road. Make a one stop at a party place so we can get, you know. Go out back on the road. So guys, just stay tuned. Always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, peeps. Down in a Clarendon here with the whole bad bro them. So the whole shoot and buck up on this in a bush. Look on this, peeps. Sorry about the camera quality. Yeah guys, beautiful people. Mother lie?
Siva, what you drinking?
Yeah, my peeps. Hit the road and stand there now, you know?
That is it.
That is it.
Living like London, innit?
Living over in London, kitty.
Let's keep the balls rolling, okay?
Okay.
Charging.
Done, so we have to
Damn, make Justin go and write up, man. Justin, just go write up that's incoming concern.
one of that. Speed off.
Up, man.
Come back.
Come back.
Yeah, where? That's why I'm stop.
Bird them I eased to them for the last weekend, you know. Just a sport. Forest Street. Big V6 for the pole.
Rain beat up piece of meds and
Yeah, my peeps, just always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe.
All the time.
All the time. Yeah, my peeps. We up in the hill of one part of one corner.
They call him Christiana.
Christiana. Tell us your sport mode today, not this week, you know,
You know
peeps.
Shana?
They don't know
Yeah, man, we there
Shana.
as Christiana. You know Shana?
The auntie Dana.
Oh, Miss Lana.
This Lana.
Give her the banana.
Chama.
Alright, yeah,
Let's go get up Ukraine. Yeah, my peeps, just stay tuned.
We are going to shoot black fly.
Rather up on a hillside.
You feel it?
Come. Albert. Yeah, come.
When nobody know the fit talk to. Rather up on a hillside.
Alright. Fully.
Than there run people where we hurt you. Yeah, my peeps. Just always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe.
To the channel.
Stay tuned. Chop, chew.
Albert. Father. You good?
Yeah, guys, yeah, what am I standing now? Alright, go feed. Go feed.
Yeah, man, go for your underwear then.
Watch you stepping up, puppy. While I'm outside.
Come up. Alright.
Yeah, my peeps, nice, beautiful view. Down on the Christiana hillside. That is it.
Yeah, so them come from. Yeah.
That's all.
But I'm gonna one part.
Knock in front of them. Boy.
No, he not job. Mom's like,
Fully wild. Dead bird.
One day. I fly wide.
Over here.
Touching back.
You gone up. Yeah, my peeps, so they up in here, look at this side. They're so bright. Look here. Really take it time of coming. So yeah, my peeps, like I've been telling you from earlier, we just up on a sporting mode right now. We're with the Christiana up on the local hilltop. Cold like ice. No joke. So as I say, we are going on a local vlog. I mean, in there we do for a morning still, so I might as well just stick around. Go and enjoy a local film. Get me I say? Stay tuned. Always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah.
Empty.
So yeah, my peeps. So feather up on my chin. Now watch that. Yeah, that. Yeah, peeps, as me did I say, I ending and shooting now. See me? So right now we're supposed to go left from here, so Christiana with there right now. Christiana Mandifield with there right now. So we're going about 13 bird. As me say, I travel for this last weekend. It's a vlog we basically I do. So we're going left from here, so and we're good to go down to Portland or we go Portland Cottage. So yeah guys, just stay tuned. Always remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, and remember guys, watch the ads them please. That's how we get paid.